Hi, I just wanted to show you about this ocarina I got from Singing Tree Flutes, and then do like a little show and tell in case you're curious about it. It does come with this great hard travel case, which I love. And this is going to be the front, and this is the bottom. So this is the top, sorry, and this is the bottom. And these are the sound holes. This is where the sound comes out. And on this end is the two holes that you're going to blow through. So it's a drone. There's two chambers. And this note is actually the highest note on the whole piece. And when you purchase one, it's going to come with a little piece of clay that you can use that doesn't dry out, and you can plug one of the holes with it. And I chose to plug this hole, the highest note on the bottom, because I'm new at playing this, and I really wanted to focus on making sure I could get my fingers to cover all the holes gently yet securely to get the right sound to come out. And I didn't want to have to worry about getting this one too. It was just like kind of too much for me right now. So I've been enjoying playing it like this. Okay, so on the left side is the bass C, the low C, and on the left side, and on the right side is the high C. And this is really cool because you cannot get this combination of a low and a high C on your typical wooden Native American drone barrel style flute, you know. So this is what's really special about this ocarina. And on the left side, the low side, you're going to have 3 notes. And on the right side, you're going to have 5 notes, but I'm just going to be playing these 4, right? The 5th one is on the back. You use your thumb if you want. You can play both chambers together, or you can play just the low or just the high. So I'll show you. And if you want to get it to harmonize, what you're going to do is you're going to lift your right hand pinky at the same time as your left hand ring finger, and then continue up the scale like that until you get to the very top. You can hit that highest note. So it's going to sound like this. So the low side is going to sound like this, just the 3 notes. And the high side is just these 4. I have the 5th one covered. And together. I love it. If you want to check it out, go to singingtreeflutes.com and you can enter coupon code Stephanie for a discount on your purchase. All right, I'm sending you lots of love and light, and I'll see you again soon.